So, you want to make an extra $1,000 a month? Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn your free time into a reliable income stream? Here's the secret. It's all about choosing the right side hustle. Today, I'm going to share with you 9 side hustle ideas that can help you earn that extra $1,000 a month. We'll break them down into 3 levels, starting with the easiest and moving up to more advanced opportunities. Each step will build on the last, creating a solid foundation for your financial growth. Level 1. Service-based side hustles. 1. Video editing. First up, we have video editing. The demand for skilled video editors is at an all-time high. Not everyone who edits videos is a good storyteller, and that's where you can stand out. If you can combine technical skills with a knack for storytelling, you'll be in high demand. From YouTube videos to TikTok clips, find your niche and start offering your services. Video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can seem daunting at first, but there are countless free tutorials online to get you started. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find your first clients. As you build your portfolio, you can increase your rates. Imagine editing just 10 videos a month at $100 each. There's your $1,000. 2. Graphic design. Graphic design is another excellent option. It's a blend of art and business, and good design can drive results. Whether it's creating logos, YouTube thumbnails, or website designs, there's a huge market for talented graphic designers. Focus on a niche, develop your skills, and watch the clients roll in. Start with free tools like Canva to get the hang of basic design principles, then move on to more sophisticated software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Consider taking a few online courses to boost your skills. Market yourself on social media and design platforms like Dribbble and Behance. Network in relevant online communities to find clients and collaborate on projects. 3. Writing. If you love to write, there are numerous ways to monetize your skill. Instead of aiming to write the next best-selling novel, consider writing online. You can create content for blogs, sales pages, email marketing, or even scripts for social media videos. The key is to write what's in demand and provide value. Freelance writing platforms like Upwork, ProBlogger, and TextBroker can help you find clients. Specializing in a niche like technology, finance, or health can make you more attractive to potential clients. And don't forget about content mills and self-publishing platforms like Medium, where you can earn based on views and reader engagement. 4. Coaching. Coaching can be incredibly lucrative, depending on your expertise. From fitness to finance, there's a market for knowledgeable coaches in virtually any field. Your success will hinge on the tangible improvements you bring to your clients. Whether it's through online courses, one-on-one sessions, or group coaching, providing lasting value is essential. To get started, identify your area of expertise and the specific problems you can solve for people. Create a simple website outlining your services and start marketing yourself on social media. Use testimonials from your initial clients to build credibility. Over time, you can expand your offerings to include webinars, online courses, and downloadable resources. Level 2. Attention-based side hustles. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. With platforms like social media or a personal blog, you can share products you love and earn passive income. It's scalable, and with the right strategy, you could earn significantly more than $1,000 a month. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choose a niche you are passionate about and that has a sizable audience. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Create content around your chosen products, such as blog posts, YouTube reviews, or social media posts. Focus on providing value and building trust with your audience. The more genuine your recommendations, the more likely people will buy through your links. 6. Content curation. Content curation involves gathering and sharing valuable content within a specific niche. Think of popular Instagram or Pinterest pages that post curated content, such as motivational quotes or travel photos. These pages can attract large followings, allowing you to monetize through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and research what content performs well. Use tools like Feedly or Pocket to gather content and schedule your posts using apps like Buffer or Hootsuite. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. As your following grows, brands may reach out for partnerships, and you can also use affiliate links to monetize your page. 7. Content creation. Content creation is a broad field that includes YouTube, TikTok, and blogging. By creating engaging and valuable content, you can attract a dedicated audience. Authenticity and connection are crucial. Whether you're teaching, entertaining, or inspiring, there's a niche for you. Consistency is key, and over time, you can build a personal brand that generates significant income. Choose a platform that suits your content style and start posting regularly. Invest in good equipment. A decent camera, microphone, and lighting can make a big difference. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and use analytics to understand what content resonates most. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and selling your own products or services. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and grow your audience faster. Level 3. Product-based side hustles. 8. Digital products. Digital products are an excellent way to make money online. These can include ebooks, online courses, templates, and more. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a digital product that provides value to others. Once created, these products can generate passive income as they continue to sell. Identify a problem you can solve or a skill you can teach and create a digital product around it. Use platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Gumroad to host and sell your products. Invest time in creating high-quality content and marketing it through your social media channels and email list. Offer free samples or discounts to attract initial customers and gather testimonials to build credibility. 9. E-commerce. E-commerce involves selling physical products online. This can be done through traditional e-commerce, where you handle inventory, or through dropshipping, where you don't need to hold stock. Building a brand is crucial for long-term success. Whether you choose to sell handmade items, curated products, or your own inventions, the potential for profit is vast. Start by researching products that are in demand and have good profit margins. Create a store on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. Focus on building a strong brand with a professional website and engaging social media presence. Use SEO and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Providing excellent customer service and gathering reviews will help you build a loyal customer base. There you have it, 9 side hustle ideas to help you make an extra $1,000 a month. Whether you start with service-based hustles, build attention online, or sell products, each step can bring you closer to your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.